is to show you that it works. So I'm going to go ahead on and just turn the key. Right now the key is off, but I'm going to turn the key on. You hear it click, and then it's going to... I have no idea why it's a delay like that. So as you can see, it works. I should have it stable than that, but so far we got it to work. Next thing we're going to work on is the fuel. The fuel module, or the fuel system. The fuel system delivery. So you guys take it easy, and I'll talk to you. What's today? February 28th, I think. 2024. Y'all take it easy.